Join me inside my writing yurt. Come on. Thanks for joining me in my rainy, cozy writing yurt for Ask Cozy Grammar. I wanted to share a poem with you, a poem about connectedness. I think in these days, we need more than ever to be reminded of our connectedness, even when we may not feel as connected as we may wish to be. This poem comes from my book, The Safety of Edges, and is called Hands Beyond Hands Beyond Hands. This hand has come from the hands of my parents, coming from the hands of their parents in turn. This much I know easily enough. My grandparents' hands in my hands. But their hands came too, from hands beyond hands. Coming from hands beyond hands, we can only imagine, though without them we would have no hands. These link to those as day links to night, as death links to life, as life links to light. A chain of small links that link beyond time. All of it here in our hands. Thank you.